So this one, I know you can guess what it is, or I guess you can guess what it is. I've been seeing this so much on social media for such a long time, and I've been wanting to get one for myself, and I'm finally able to have one for myself. Yay! I finally have the Super Brush Plus the Unbrush brush. I'm so happy about this. Look at it. Okay, so this like is the ultimate brush right now that we see like almost everywhere in the natural hair community. It has like instructions. Let me see what is written on it. Brand hollow comb with big history is guaranteed of its own quality products with strong impact in design. Oh, it's quite. Listen to this. It doesn't feel hard. I only brush my hair when it's wet, so I can't brush it now to show you. But if you want, I can test it. It's written Italian design, special heat dissipation structure, counteracts the effects of sunburn lens, dry hair in a few steps, particularly honeycomb holes. Okay, so basically you can be using this and blow dry your hair at the same time, you know. So it's so nice. Hey, 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 hey. I finally have this brush. I've been waiting for it for so long. Bye, ciao, ciao.